Well, hello. Today I've got a lovely two-tone 1968 Super Sterling by Smith Corona. And this is Laura with Jot and Tittle Typewriters. So I don't remember if I told you the year, 68. Sorry, I'm being distracted by the beautiful fall colors and the beautiful lake today. So I need to refocus and talk to y'all. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use the Super Sterling and then do a typing demo for those of you interested in this particular one. This is your carriage, and your paper is going to go right here against this back plate. Your margins are set using these metal, curved tabs. You just press and drag and put them where you want. Okay, so I'm going to bring them in. I like narrow margins for these. This is a paper guide, which is perfect for multiple page projects, or if you've got like an envelope or a postcard or something like that, it's good to bring that in and help load it straight and keep it straight in there. Okay, behind the handles, this is your carriage release lever. You'll find it on each side. Just pull that in while holding the carriage. And your carriage is going to move only as far as you have your margins set. So if I bring them all the way out, then my carriage is going to move a lot further. That bell you hear, that tells you that you're close to your margin. And once you do reach the end of your margin, everything on the typewriter is going to stop. And when that happens, sorry, I'm moving this around, just hit your margin release, and then you can keep going if you need to. When it's time to go to the next line, just pull the handle, and it's going to advance either 1, 2, or 3 lines, depending on how you have it set, and take you to the front of the line. Okay, I'm going to move the carriage to the left, and we're going to pop open this top right here, and you're going to see the ribbon. Here's the ribbon. We put new ribbon in all of our typewriters, and if you need to purchase extra ribbon, you can go to our website at jotandtittletypewriters.com, and we have a variety of ribbon options there. Universal ribbon is a 2-inch spool. You just pop that in there, pop it out when you need to change it. When you do get to the end of the spool, it doesn't mean you need to change the ribbon. It just means you need to reverse the direction of the ribbon, and you do that right here. And you should be able to reverse the direction of the ribbon dozens and dozens of times before you need to change it, because there's a lot of ink in there. The ribbon is short, but it'll last you a long time. Okay, let me close that up. This is your tab button. You clear and you set it right here. So, okay, well, let's go ahead and we'll do our typing demo. I'm going to put that right here, and we'll get that going. All right, so I'm going to put the paper right here against the paper guide, and I'll move that over just a little bit. So you just set the paper in. You don't need to shove it down at all. You just set it in there and then turn the handle, and it'll pull it through. You need to pull that bar forward, and I like to bring the paper all the way up, and that way I can see if it's crooked or straight, and so that's pretty crooked. I'm going to pull this forward and straighten it out. Okay. And let's go ahead and do our typing demo. So this is a 1968 Smith Corona Super Sterling. So this is really easy to use. I just did a video on a Galaxy, and it typed very well. But this is a little bit nicer manual typewriter, and these keys just bounce right back up. It has a completely different feel to it. I'm going to bring this up for you. Let me move my margin. Okay, so on this one, the shift lock is kind of giving me a fit here. Oh, there it goes. I just must have not put it in properly. It's working now. Okay. Let me keep typing here. Okay, I'll go through all the keys here in just a second. This types very, very well. So if you're looking for an affordable manual or a newer manual, this is for book writing. This is going to be a good one for you. Also, I do have people who ask, and I'm one of those people. I have small hands. I have like 10-year-old hands. And that's pretty common among women. And so I do get that question, what do you recommend for those of us who have smaller hands? This would be a good one because the keys are so easy. They really just bounce right back up. And so that was easy to use. Okay, so let me go ahead and let's finish going through all the keys here. The shift lock's working fine now. I don't know what I did before that I couldn't get it locked. It seems like it was user error on my part. Really fantastic typewriter. This is going to be good for beginners as well. Really great typing machine. I really, the feel on this is fantastic. So whoever gets this, you're really going to enjoy typing on this. All right, check out the links in the description below. You can click on that. Even if it's sold, you can still see the details and the images for the listing. And if you have trouble with that, just leave a comment. Or if you have questions, please leave that. I do try to read them a couple times a week and respond as I can. Thank you for your patience. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Have a great day.